How do organizations manage their resources effectively? This video explores the key features of resource management across various sectors. We'll delve into strategies that enhance efficiency and drive success. The unit aims to provide an overview of human and physical resources needed in different sectors. It highlights the impact of efficiency on organizations. Learners will review the effective use of resources within an organization. 0405. Resource management is crucial for organizational operations and strategic planning. It involves deploying resources efficiently when needed. These resources include financial, inventory, human skills, production, or IT. Understanding resource management requires examining its key features. This foundational knowledge aids in making informed decisions. Resource planning identifies and schedules necessary resources to achieve objectives. It includes forecasting needs and ensuring availability. Effective planning prevents over- or underutilization, enhancing productivity. Strategies are developed to allocate resources optimally. This ensures tasks are completed efficiently. Resource allocation distributes resources among projects or departments. It ensures alignment with strategic goals. Understanding project requirements and resource capabilities is crucial. Effective allocation optimizes resource use. This process supports organizational priorities. Resource scheduling assigns resources to tasks over time. It involves creating timetables, considering availability and deadlines. Proper scheduling ensures efficient resource use. This process aids in timely project completion. Dependencies and task priorities are also considered. Monitoring tracks resource utilization to ensure planned use. It identifies deviations and implements corrective actions. Effective monitoring prevents wastage. This ensures projects stay on track. Control measures are essential for resource efficiency. Optimization focuses on maximizing resource efficiency. It involves analyzing data to identify improvements. Techniques like lean management and Six Sigma are used. The goal is to enhance productivity. This process supports sustainable operations. Capacity management ensures resources meet demand. It includes planning and control to match workload. Effective management avoids bottlenecks. This ensures smooth operations. Organizations can adjust resource levels as needed. HRM focuses on recruiting, training, and managing the workforce. It includes performance management and employee development. Effective HRM ensures a skilled workforce. This supports organizational objectives. Succession planning is also a key aspect. Financial management involves planning and controlling financial resources. It includes budgeting and forecasting. Effective management supports operational funding. This enables growth investments and financial stability. Organizations achieve their financial goals. Information management focuses on data and systems. It includes governance, security, and infrastructure management. Effective management ensures timely information availability. This supports decision-making and operations. Data accuracy is critical. Several frameworks apply to resource management. The resource-based view suggests managing valuable resources for advantage. The theory of constraints focuses on managing performance limits. These models guide resource strategies. They enhance organizational competitiveness. Resource needs vary across economic sectors. The primary sector relies on natural resources and labor. The secondary sector needs raw materials and technology. The tertiary sector focuses on human resources and information. Understanding these needs aids strategic planning. Resource management is critical for success. It ensures efficient use to achieve goals. Effective management optimizes performance and reduces costs. It prevents wastage and enhances profitability. Organizations can achieve strategic objectives. Efficiency involves achieving maximum productivity with minimal waste. Resource management ensures optimal use of materials and time. Streamlined processes reduce delays. This improves productivity and task completion. Organizations leverage resources for success. Effective resource management reduces costs. Budget control and planning prevent overspending. Minimizing waste cuts expenses and improves sustainability. Efficiency gains reduce time and resources needed. Organizations save money strategically. Preventing wastage is vital for financial and environmental reasons. Monitoring usage identifies inefficiencies. Recycling and reuse reduce waste. Employee training fosters sustainable practices. Organizations save resources and costs. Resource management boosts profitability. Efficiency and cost savings improve margins. Competitive advantage arises from effective resource use. Innovation and growth are supported by freed capital. Organizations achieve financial success. Strategies optimize resource use and efficiency. Stock-taking, security systems, and HR management are key. Reusing wastage supports sustainability. These strategies reduce costs and enhance profitability. Organizations achieve compliance and success. Understanding resource management is crucial for organizational success. Effective strategies optimize resource use and achieve goals. Organizations enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and increase profitability. In conclusion, understanding the key features of resource management is essential for ensuring that organizations use their people, finances, materials, and technology efficiently and effectively. Resource management involves planning, allocating, monitoring, and optimizing resources to achieve organizational goals, while minimizing waste and maximizing value. By recognizing the importance of forecasting needs, balancing supply and demand, and coordinating resources across departments, organizations can improve productivity, reduce costs, and enhance overall performance. Strong resource management is a foundation for sustainable growth and long-term success. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.